Here's the following problem. I have an MP4 video and Premiere Pro 2023. I drag and drop that MP4 onto the timeline and everything is at an angle. So the video is not read, it's not interpreted correctly. So to fix this problem, we have to close it. Don't save anything. So close Premiere Pro. Now the extension is not visible. If I simply rename it, I cannot see that MP4 at the end. So open a File Explorer window, go to View and check this one, File Name Extensions. Okay, and close it. Now the MP4 is visible there, so right click on the file and go to Rename. And at the end type in .mts, so a file name whatever, and at the end .mts. Click outside to accept it, yes, to change the file name extension. Now start Premiere Pro once again, and I will drag the same file onto the timeline, and this time it will be interpreted in a different manner. Choose a project, let's say that one, and drag the same file with a different extension onto the timeline, and voila, it looks a bit different. Now everything is straight and it's not at an angle. If I rename it back to MP4 instead of MTS, then the problem appears once again. So let's just try that one. Right click on it, rename, delete that MTS from the end of the file name, click outside to accept it, yes, start Premiere Pro once again and drag the same file onto the timeline and it will be at an angle once again. Yes, open a project, drag the MP4 file, drop it there, and voila, the problem is back. So by simply renaming an MP4 to MTS, it might help. It helped in this case.